All right, so this is what happens when you're getting a home ready to put it on the market. Sometimes you have to get dirty. So today, we're gonna start cleaning this home up and get it ready to go on the market in just a couple of days. Everyone, welcome. Today, I have a brand new listing for you. It is in the Village of Summerhill, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go on and take a tour. And when you're ready to make an offer, you know who to call. The wall, you could put a sectional, so the sectional will go along the wall, and then where this table is here, you just bring it out a little bit and you have a seating area, or if you want to put a little lounger, you can put your TV on that wall, you put your TV on that wall, depending on where the rest of your furniture is. This is morning time, so it's a little after 10. The front lanai faces west, so the morning sun you'll get in the rear of the home, in the bedrooms. So, what do you think of this one? I think for the location and the price, this is definitely a winner. You can't go wrong. You could buy it, move in if you choose to do so. You could rent it out right away. You can make some updates. You could update it and flip it. The choice is yours. So, jump on it, hurry up. Don't want to miss it. If you're looking to sell your home or buy a home here in the Villages or in Florida, my information's right up above. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and